everyone, I am Jeric Enriquez from Albay BR, and I am here.
I am his co-delegate, Alisa Gail Thomas, also from the Albay BR. And as of this moment, we are conducting a tree planting activity here in the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park.
So yun, abangan nyo na lang po ang ating tree planting. Uy!
Yun nga, guys, available din po ang laptop dito.
Welcome to the Underground River in Puerto Princesa! Ready to fight.
Ready to fight sa underground river.
Sa inyo po lahat, in behalf of Underground River Management and Staff, kami po ay nagpapasalamat